People must have options and still choose you. It's important. It's dangerous to try and build a life with someone who doesn't have options. It's dangerous to go into a new season where you are the only one who's available. You're the only one who says yes. You're the only one who's been kind to them. No, there must be options before the person. And when they look at all the options, even if they look at you and it doesn't look like it's the best way forward, yet they still choose you. Those are the people who we can move in a season with love towards. Listen, church, if you're trying to build love and if you're trying to have love, it must be in the atmosphere of transparency and options. We have many men who are trying to not be transparent before women and act like you have it all together. No, be transparent to that woman. If there's something else she wants, let her go there. As a woman, if there are things you don't have, you go to a man. You must be open and honest and say, this is my life. This is what I've been through. And if they look around and still choose you, this is a sign of building true love.